Presenting the Tower Group's latest project, Panorama. The 40-floor complex includes a 5-star hotel, apart hotel, and a business center. Made with an exquisite design and focused on customer satisfaction. In the complex, you will also find a lobby, a pool, a gym, a spa, a sauna, restaurants, the Sky Bar, a business lounge, conference halls, under and above ground parking spaces set on 9,000 square meters. The complex includes a pier which is set on the Black Sea beach by a direct pedestrian bridge just 1 minute away. And most importantly, the view from the city's main panorama complex.